Last breakfast na natin for today kasi uuwi na tayo. Pero mag-breakfast muna tayo. Guys, breakfast. Tara, kain muna tayo bago tayo umuwi. Yung kapatid ko nakauwi na. Jeje Bali. Colorful. And they have this kojak. Kojak yan. Yan. Yeah. May pang mga bata din sila. And then, choco ball. Crepes. Ready na. May kanilang mga may mga donut. Okay, let's go down. Wala pa masyadong tao, guys. Puno pa yung mga shelves ng food. Yan. And let's go there. So let's see what's this. Ooh, cream sauce, chicken sausage, beef sausage. We're not going to open it. What's this? Spinach and broccoli. Ano yun? Let's try that. Ay, pork bacon. There you go. Ito, kung gusto mo ng noodles, ikaw na pipili kung ano yung gusto mo. Ayan, like this. Ayan, misham, ayam, soto, mi goreng. Oh, may mi goreng din sila. Ganon. Hello, Pagi. Ayan. Tapos ito yung ating congee. What they have? Steamed rice, tempe. I don't like this. Uy, meron silang bihon. Ako, lalantakan ko na naman yan. Ayan. Let's see. Ayan. Let's see. Lugaw. Ito yung view from the room. Last day na pero ngayon ko lang makukuhanan tong view from the room. Actually, ganyan siya. 40 na lang ang pagitan. Yan. Guys, uwi na kami. Oh my God. Uwi na kami. Tapos na ang bakasyon namin.
Get to hell na tomorrow.
Get to hell na tomorrow. Get to hell. Bye, Sharon. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go home.
Let's go home.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thailand.
Yeah. Very peaceful.
Parang ka. Uwi na tayo. Tapos ngayon may liligaya. Bukas naman. Bukas gate to hell na. Thank you, Agus. Bye-bye. See you next time. Nandito na kami sa airport. Uwi na kami. Ano na? Bilis ang immigration nila dito. In fairness, walang masyadong pira. Okay, walang-wala sa Pinas. Pero okay na rin yan. Yan, lakad muna kami. Sobrang mahal ng ano dito, guys. Na mga paninda, mahal dito. Times 3 sa loob. Kaysa sa labas. Ay, reklamo pa. Loob ng airport ng Bali. Dito, may diner, may ganyan. Ganyan, no. Bamboo talaga yung ano nila. Yung design nila. While waiting, dito muna tayo sa Argro. Ngayon. Try natin tong dirty caramel ng Hard Rock. Kung dirty pa siya. Normal. Basta kami kumain. Thank you. Singapore.
Singapore.
Oh, yeah.
Flight to Singapore.
Thank you. Punta na kami ng boarding gate. Maaga pa. Delayed yung flight natin. Delayed. Charot. Delayed 15 minutes. So, waiting for boarding. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Maya-maya pa. Boarding. Haggard. Haggard. Kaya nga eh. Boarding na guys. Batik. Let's go. Boarding. Boarding na guys. Boarding na kami. Okay, business class. Boarding. Ang Haggard ko. Guys. Haggard. Oh. Batik yan nila malaki. Nasa Singapore Airlines. Yay! Let's go!
Cloudy, because of the condition of bumpiness. Therefore, for your safety, strongly suggest that you have your seatbelt fastened at all times while especially when the seatbelt sign comes on. Weather forecast for Singapore, we do expect some rain and our arrival flight. Based on current estimate, we expect to touch down at 2:55 in the afternoon. 2:55, air traffic permitting, and get you to the parking bay just about 5 minutes after landing. Weather in Singapore currently, there's rain over the airfield. Temperature is still warm of 30 degrees Celsius. And on behalf of Singapore Airlines and the rest of my team, thank you very much for choosing to fly with us. We wish you have a pleasant stay in Singapore. As for passengers on route to other destinations, have a pleasant journey en route and a pleasant day ahead. Cabin crew, please prepare for arrival. Thank you. Thank you for your patience and understanding.
So, ikot-ikot muna kami. Sarah G muna. Ikot-ikot. Congested ang airport. Natanggal na yata yun. Singapore, welcome back. Welcome to Ate. Welcome back to Hells. Charot. Disembarking. Nay. Saan ka nakaupo kanina? Dito? First class wala. Disembarking. Kaya na. Thank you.
Kenapa you mas kulong sa tawis?